Welcome to Spyder Auto's headlight installation guide for the Hyundai Genesis Coupe. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench, and you should probably have some painter's tape or masking tape to guard the edges to protect your finish while we're working. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver. Now that we've popped the hood, let's go ahead and mask off those edges. Now that we've masked off the edges, let's go ahead and prop up the hood. It's worth noting that our test car has an aftermarket grille. Your car may differ slightly. Remove these 8 grille retainers. We'll remove them using a Phillips head screwdriver. As you remove the retainers, set them aside somewhere where you won't lose them. Remove the grille retainers and the grille. Our test car has custom aftermarket hardware. Your car will have 2 10mm bolts here and here that must be removed. Remove the 2 10mm bolts and set them aside. With the 2 bolts removed, now we can remove the headlight. Unseat the headlight and begin disconnecting the wiring harness. Disconnect the headlight harness here as shown. Our test car differs. Let's have a look at your new headlight. The leads for the halo ring are red and black as shown here. If you'd like to link them with your DRLs, as most users do, tap the red wire into the green wire here and the black wire into the black wire for the DRLs. Start by reconnecting the wiring harness. Connect your new headlight as shown here. After connecting the wiring harness, begin seating your new headlight. After seating the headlight, reinstall the 2 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Again, our test car has custom hardware. After reinstalling the 2 10mm bolts, just reinstall the grille and secure the 8 retainers using a Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah, buddy, you successfully installed your headlights from Spyder Auto. Now for a look at the cutoff line. Videography by Nitro Nick.